facing a run of bad luck. They just got wiped out again.
Oh my god, get absolutely melted, bitch. Oh, sorry, buddy. Sorry.
The Steamrollers truly flattened the competition in today's match. On behalf of all of us here at the finals, thanks for
I think our gas grenade killed him or something.
Jump pad deployed. First elimination is really sending a message. This match is on.
Yeah, you're not getting away, buddy. Sorry about that.
Want to miss a beat.
Where?
A devastating first team wipe just occurred.
the Kingfisher merge in the move, unlocking Vault 1. The Shock and Awe have taken up arms and are charging back in the area. Team
I recognize that bunch. They have a bone to pick with the Kingfish.
The Kingfish grab the cast.
Still lost, buddy. Still kinda garbage. Oh, there's people down here? Say less. Oh my god, he just got domed. Absolutely freaking domed. What was freaking that, man? Oh, you got it? No, never mind. Shotguns are one of the most inconsistent weapons in the game, but they're kind of OP if they're used right.
Got hooked.
Shotgun either does 9 damage or freaking one shots most of the time. At least takes them down half their health at minimum we're talking about here. I'm pretty sure anybody who's watching this, you might remember the Fortnite days. I used to play Fortnite so much. You know, the 9 damage pump? Oh yeah? Yeah, it sucked, man. But it was really good to use until they nerfed it. So yeah. What are you doing? Get him! Get him! Yes, you're so good at the game.
The Kingfish land the first cash out.
No way you actually thought that was a good idea.
Using gas grenade. Our contestants better not get caught.
I'm dead.
lacing
I'm
around.
dead. I'm literally Oh my god, I can't do
Watch your
anything!
feet or face the consequences.
I can't do
Thanks to a
anything.
laser high above.
I just need to stall. Enough time at least. Nice. Oh shit. That poison was not really where I wanted it to be.
End of a wipeout again.
There's gotta be people over here, right? Not yet, but I hear him. Nice, my man. That was sick. No, don't let him get it. Don't let him get it.
The
Let's go. Get out of here, boy. Might have to bring back the revolver.
That's right, Scotty. This is going to be a nail biter.
The revolver god might have to come back again. Nah, I can't say that. That name strictly belongs to Moist Critical.
We've got our first elimination of the match.
I hope the viewers at home are ready for a wild ride.
This ride's only going to get faster from here.
Girl. Oh my god, you are a special kind of. Oh, you sure are special, alright. Fuck it. Revolver time. Yesterday was pretty good, so I'll see if it works again, I guess. And it's so close. Isn't that nice?
A strong game plan from the
Oh.
shock and awe as they are sticking together out there.
Oh my god. Never mind, that was just dumb luck. Oh my god, really? Oh my god, stop it. This is what I get for helping my teammates. I'm doing so good as soon as I start helping. No. Nah. But I might just have to stick to the revolver. Revolver's it, man. To be fair, I did dedicate possibly close to 100. I'm respawning. I'm not chancing that. You're about to die, bro. Yeah, what I thought. But yeah, I dedicate so many hours to playing good with revolvers and just pistols and stuff because I used to main McCree. Oh my god, man. Another revolver guy? Oh my god! No, it's not a revolver. But nice. Bro. What is this guy? What are you doing?
A heist halted. That's how you protect your earnings, folks. Well played.
You guys are lucky I'm good at this game.
Eliminations are piling up for a contestant out there. Let's see how far they can take it.
If I got that one too, that would have been insane.
Set.
Literally insane, bro. Come on, guys. Well, nice game. I mean, to be fair, they had it pretty locked down. You know, like, what are you gonna do? But we tried. Whatever.
Expect some retaliation heading their way. Teammates back. Outgoing gas grenade.
No, get out of here. Don't even try me. Don't even freaking try me, buddy. Gonna get domed. This does so... The fall-off damage is crazy.
Using gas grenade. See it's working its magic.
Nice, that box actually came in clutch. Do I need to do something here?
Absolute shocker, Scotty.
Back in action.
Y'all are actually ridiculous. You need a fucking babysitter, bro.
And impressive. Knock the cats out.
Let's see whether they can keep that momentum going.
I've got the poison.
Surprise and another team wipe.
I literally dunked on your ass and then got him too. Yes! That's what I'm talking about, baby.
The Steamrollers got the cash box.
Imagine getting dunked on. Couldn't be me. I'll have to see. I might buy the battle pass. Just maybe. I don't know. We got the Revolver squad up. That's what I'm talking about, boys. No, not that one. I meant to stay on the healing. Yeah, look at this. You got the whole Revolver squad up here. Let's go, man.
Now, the Kingfish, the Shock and Awe, and finally, the Steamrollers.
I need to get a better skin.
It's time to
Theirs are
bring
so
the
cool,
heat.
man. I should buy the battle pass. Maybe. I don't know. I just want some cool stuff, you know? But I don't know if the battle pass is really worth it, you know?
Magic number.
Oh, I just messed that up.
Contestants hustle, gather, and triumph.
So I don't know. Maybe by next video you'll see I already have the battle pass. Oh, that's a shame.
Daring cash out steal, foiled at the last.
I mean, this guy's obviously cracked, but
Exceptional cash out.
I'm honestly doing the worst.